Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. This reading will resonate to all signs, guys. So this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So I'll be picking 3 cards from each pile, guys. You can choose the pile now and watch the video. Skip to the part and watch this video. So this will be the first pile and this is the second pile, guys. These cards I'm picking for your love situation, guys. So let's start with this deck first. I'll keep this deck aside. That is the second deck. So first deck for those who have chosen this deck for your love energy. So what is your situation today, guys? So 3 cards here. First card, second card, and one more card, guys, third card. So we will turn these cards now. Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands in reverse, and the Fool. So in your situation today, guys, for those who have chosen the first deck, you are simply in a state, you are just wondering, you feel enchanted by the way things are going in your situation, guys. You are simply jumping with joy. Maybe this person is coming to visit you, they may be gifting you, or in this relationship you are seeing a beginning of a new phase of romance, maybe more intimacy, more understanding, and more adventure. Maybe you are traveling, or you may be planning to travel. Something which is simply taking you by surprise and which is making you feel wonder in your heart, simply taking you, maybe this person is just sweeping you off your feet with certain suggestions. Maybe they are planning to take you on a holiday, or something unseen is coming your way, guys, some opportunity or offer from this person. So you are simply enjoying, you are using your creativity today, and you have that confidence and courage in your position today. And maybe you are in a dreamy world, you are in this fantasy world, thinking great things for yourself today, and you are really happy. The thing that matters the most is you have that happiness, that self-confidence and happiness in this connection, guys, and with this person. And maybe for some of you, you may be planning to have a family together, or you may be seeing a birth of a child, maybe your own child or a child in your close circle, maybe a friend or family, they are having a child. So a beginning is also what I see, beginning of a new phase in this connection, guys. So you may share a deep and better understanding with this person and unlimited possibilities in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this card. A very beautiful reading, guys, for this card. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here. So for those who have chosen this deck, this is the second deck, guys. We'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So this is the first card, this is the second card, and one more card. This is the third card. So we will open these cards now, guys, for your love energy for those who have chosen this deck. 5 of Water, King of Earth, 5 of Fire. So with this card in your situation today, you are experiencing more understanding, and You both have that great compatibility. You respect each other, you appreciate each other's ideas, and you are able to find a common ground in this connection, guys. Maybe both of your ideologies may be different, but you are trying to adapt yourself, finding that balance and harmony in this connection, guys. And you are a very generous person. You have kindness in your heart. You are helping people, and you are a very successful person. And this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy. You are leading this person, or you are giving suggestions, and you are taking responsibility in the situation, trying to do things in the right way, offering suggestions and offering counsel. That is also what I see, guys, with these cards. And you have that greater understanding, and you know the clear way to deal with your situation properly, and with this person you know how to be. And maybe for some of you, you would have faced lots of trials previously, and you are trying to find the ways to get back with this person, guys. Maybe if both of you are in separation, and because of some arguments or some misunderstandings, you know the value of this person, and you just you are melting in love for this person, and you just want to get back to them. You are finding ways to make amends. You just want to say sorry and get back to them, and release the sadness that you feel in your heart because of that grief, guys, because of the grief of separation. And you may be quite emotional today, guys. So you long for this person, you long for this connection, and you want to get back to them, and you know the value this person is for you, their value in your life. So you want them back, and you have realized your mistake, or they have realized their mistake, and they want to come back to you, want to communicate, and you're changing the way you perceive your situation, guys, because the sadness and grief is blocking your vision, and you feel sad in your work, in wherever you are, you feel sad. So you just want to change the way you think and you act. So you want to stop this grief and sadness. So that may be the reason that you're moving forward to make amend or forgive this person, and you're working towards reconciliation. That is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck, guys. So thank you for watching this video, guys, this pick a card reading. So if this reading resonated, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please give your valuable comments. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.